Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the.
Hi my loves, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make a super easy braided elegant bun. So we'll begin by dividing all our hair into two equal sections and make with them two middle ponytails like I'm showing using ribbon bands. Then you want to loosen a little bit the top so our parting will not show that much. And then you want to grab one of the ponytails, divide it into two and twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So you twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. Then you want to tug on the edge of the created rope braid and we want to continue until reaching the ends of our braid. When we are reaching our ends, we want to tie the ends using a ribbon band, but the last time make sure to pull it only halfway through like I'm showing, so there are no ends sticking out. And now you want to repeat this braid on other ponytail as well. Now you want to wrap the braids around the ponytails, creating a nice shape of the bun. You want to pin it in place using ribs and bobby pins depending on how easier for you is. Fan it out, use some hairspray to fix it, and you're done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this super easy braided updo. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!